Hello viewers, today we will show you how you can make your favorite sushi at home. But before starting the recipe, thank you for watching. Now first prepare all ingredients that you need. You will need 2 cups of sushi rice, 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 6 sheets of nori seaweed. Fillings of your choice, such as cooked shrimp, smoked salmon, avocado, cucumber, crab meat, etc. Now for making the sushi. Rinse the sushi rice in cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium pot, bring the rice and water to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 18 to 20 minutes, or until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. Once the rice is done cooking, transfer it to a large bowl. In a saucepan, heat the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt over low heat until the sugar and salt are dissolved. Add the vinegar mixture to the cooked rice. Now mix well with a spatula to combine. Allow the rice to cool for about 10 minutes. Now for assembling the sushi, place a sheet of nori seaweed on a sushi mat with the shiny side down. Using wet hands, take a small amount of rice and spread it evenly on the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top of the sheet. Always remember to do the process carefully. Arrange your fillings of choice in a line. Here we have used avocado, cucumber, crab meat, and salmon. Roll the sushi tightly with the help of the mat, pressing the edges to seal. Once you do this, all your ingredients will come together perfectly, and you will get your desired sushi roll. Repeat this process with the remaining fillings of your choice. Always use a sharp knife to cut the sushi rolls into bite-sized pieces. Now if you don't like nori on the outside, you can always make it on the inside. In the step where you put the rice on the nori, season the rice and just flip it. This way your outer layer will be of the rice instead of nori. Now add your favorite fillings to make a sushi roll. Roll the mat firmly in the same way as in nori was on the outer layer, so your rice stick together nicely. Pressing on the edges is an important step to get it all sealed up. If it is not done properly, the rice might fall apart and filling will not be combined as one. You can add anything of your choice on the top of the sushi roll when the rice are on the outside. Here we have thinly sliced an avocado. Then it is placed over the top on the roll. Complete roll has been covered. Don't forget to use a sharp knife. This will help you cut your roll effortlessly. Handle the knife carefully, not to cut yourself. Your delicious sushi is ready to serve. You can make and present in any way you like. You just need your right combinations. There are many ways to present and serve sushi. We have shown few of our methods to present the dish to our loved ones. You can also experiment with different fillings and seasonings to create a wide variety of sushi rolls. Some popular fillings are tuna, yellowtail, or other raw fish, cooked vegetables like bell pepper, carrots, or asparagus. Fried tofu or egg omelette are also liked by many people. Serve the sushi with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes.